I had an email yesterday from Turkish Airlines and they said that all PCR tests now have to have a QR code, and that QR code is to prevent fraud, apparently. So we'll wait and see what happens with my PCR certificate when I try to get on the flight now. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Alex and I'm in Terminal 2 Heathrow, ready to fly out to Azerbaijan again. It's really quiet. It took about 10 minutes to check in and about another 10 minutes to get through security. There's 2 lines open, which goes to show how quiet it is, and about 20 flights taking off today, which is a very, very low number from what's usually a very, very busy airport. The majority of the shops are shut, a few are open, Yo Sushi and Pret-a-Manger, the pharmacy as well, WH Smith, so you can get a paper and a drink, but that's pretty much it. So the flight leaves in a few hours. I'm going to kick back and relax and get something to eat. The flight's been called now, so it's time to go to the gate for boarding. I think it's already started. I finally arrived at Istanbul airport okay, and it's a fair bit busier than Heathrow. I'm about to go to the gate now to see how the new system works with scanning the PCR fit to fly test, and whether or not they'll let me on the flight. I hope so. Let's wait and see. There's quite a big queue behind me, and I think that's because they are checking the paperwork thoroughly and making sure that the QR codes are on the PCR test certificates. So we'll see how long this takes, but this is the gate A6 and opened up for boarding about 15 minutes ago. Well, they've checked all my paperwork and it's all correct, which is really good. They checked my passport, my PCR test, they checked the QR code, they scanned it in to make sure that it was an authentic one. So I'm really pleased, because that was concerning me a little bit. So I'm jumping on the flight now to Baku. Hi. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you. After flying through the night, we finally touched down at 5:30 this morning. And as soon as we got off the plane, we went to immigration as normal, and they checked all the paperwork, visas, passports. But they did do a very thorough check of the fit to fly medical test certificates, and they did check the QR codes, scan them to make sure that they contain the correct information. So it was good to see they're being thorough and they're trying to weed out these dodgy test certificates that have been permeating through the system and increasing the risk to everybody. So I'm glad that's finally out of the way. I'm relieved to finally be in the hotel, and I'm going to get my head down because I'm really tired.